Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself trading Forex and wondering how to make sense of those overlapping global sessions, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up a Forex sessions indicator on TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to visually map out those key market sessions right on your charts, giving you a major boost in timing your trades and understanding market momentum. No more guessing when London opens or New York winds down, you'll see it all in real time. Let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first, we need to open up those powerful TradingView indicators. Once you're on your chart, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll see a little icon labeled Indicators. Go ahead and give that a click. TradingView has a massive library, and just this step will unlock a lot of tools you can experiment with later on. Now in the search box that pops up, start typing FX Market Sessions. As you type, you'll notice several suggestions start to appear. The key here is to find the right sessions indicator. FX Market Sessions is usually community built, and it lays out the major trading sessions like Tokyo, London, and New York in colored bands right across your chart. Click to add that indicator. You should immediately see a set of colored boxes or shaded regions overlaying your price chart. Don't worry if it looks a little overwhelming at first. Each block represents a different global Forex session, and this is going to help you visualize when markets are most active. Next up, we're going to make sure your chart is set up to show the session breaks clearly. This is super helpful. Session breaks are vertical lines that mark the end of one session and the start of another, which makes it so much easier to see when, say, New York picks up right as London is winding down. To do this, simply right-click anywhere on your chart background. A menu will pop up. Choose Settings. Then go into the Events tab. Here you'll see an option for session breaks. Just check that box. This might seem like a small detail, but those vertical lines can be a total game changer, especially when you're backtesting strategies or reviewing big market moves. Now here, where we make sure everything fits your location and your trading style, we need to double-click on the sessions indicator itself. When you do, a settings window will appear and you'll see several input options. Take a close look at the time zone input. This is really important. By default, the indicator might not match your local time. Go ahead and set this to your own time zone. For example, if you're in New York, select EST. If you're in London, choose GMT, and so on. This isn't just a cosmetic touch. Having accurate session times means you'll see session openings and closings as they happen for you, not some random default. Trust me, it helps a ton, especially if you trade during the overlap periods or want to avoid getting caught in low liquidity hours. Take a moment here to double-check the time zone. It's a tiny detail that'll save you some headaches down the road. That's it. The Forex Sessions indicator is now all set up and tailored to your needs. Now you'll be able to spot at a glance when the major markets are driving volatility and plan your trades accordingly. Don't worry if it looked complex at first. After you've used it for a few sessions, it becomes second nature. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more indicator tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical trading tips and guides every week. Thanks for watching and happy trading.